Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how some people are really magnetic. When they walk into the room, all of a sudden, all the heads turn around them. They get attention at ease. And if you still think that it's only because of the outfit that they are wearing, it's not all the time. They do a lot of internal work. Okay, so if you want to become a magnetic person, it's more about the internal work. 90% of your outer appearance, your aura, the energy that you radiate comes from within. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna break down like 5 points to become a magnetic person. So if you follow any one point almost on an every single day straight, it is going to be simple points only. Okay, so if you follow that, definitely you will become a magnetic person. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. Number one, detach from the idea of becoming a magnetic person. What does that mean? Attachment always creates resistance. The more you chase certain things, you're not gonna get that. Okay, so as human beings, naturally we are made up of energy. Everything is energy in this world. As a human beings, we radiate certain energy, electromagnetic frequency. I think if you just see this chart, you will understand, like, humans are made up of energy. So sometimes, you feel underconfident or you feel low about yourself. It's because of the bad past experiences that you have had. So maybe you have, thought that you are ugly, or, you don't know how to do this, you are useless. Basically, you tend to keep on believing in that. So the more you believe in that, the energy also becomes that. Okay, so the best part is you can actually change the energy and manipulate the energy whenever you wanted to. It all starts from the mind. So you have to detach from the idea that I am a magnetic person. Don't push yourself hard. That's what I meant. So just write down all the negative emotions that is coming up with you, like at what situation you felt that you are useless, or what situation led you to have the low confidence sort of a person. Write it down, and then you just gotta accept that, okay, fine, that happened. That is not going to define my future anymore, even my present version also. Don't give power to that emotion. Okay, number two, set boundaries and be careful with whom you speak and interact, because you never know what type of energy that they are emitting, whether jealousy or gossiping sort of energy, what type of negative energy that they are emitting. You never know that, and it actually disturbs your energy field also. So you have to be very careful about that. Say no to things that you don't want to, because when the energy interacts with each other, if their energy is low, you're gonna end up being tired, or you're gonna end up being not so motivated enough to do certain things. So you have to be very careful about that. Okay, number three, spend more time alone. When you are in a quiet place, you just observe the thoughts that is coming up, whether it is the quarreling thoughts or the positive thoughts, whatever. Just observe those thoughts. That actually helps you to build yourself. That actually helps you to give the clarity about yourself, what you want to do in the future, what are all the past mistakes that is helping you to move forward. So you have to understand that emotion and honor your emotion. Never let this just like fine, never do that. You have to honor your emotion. You have to just tell that, yes, I accept this mistake, it has happened, but this particular emotion is not going to affect me anymore. The moment you heal that particular emotion, healing is a lifetime process, but still you can just literally change the energy, right? So the moment you accept and move forward, you automatically radiate in a higher vibration. Okay, so acceptance is one of the higher vibrational frequency. I will just again put the chart here, you can just check that out. Number four, when you step into a room, just imagine you're pulling the energy of four corners of the room and putting it to yourself and walking confidently. Just imagine a golden glow is surrounded by you and protecting you, and you are basically radiating the shining sort of energy. I think this I just came across in a YouTube video or somewhere like that. This actually really helps to become a magnetic person. So try this at least once. Definitely you will see the changes. Fifth one, try to avoid unhealthy food, processed food, and I don't even want to give a list for you. You know what is healthy, what is unhealthy. So try to avoid all the unhealthy junk that you're gonna put into your body. And whenever you eat healthy food, try to inculcate a lot of healthy food. So whenever you eat, just say the affirmation that this food is nurturing me, and this food is healing me, this food is making me really really glowing. Just speak to that food. Or when you drink water, speak to the water. Definitely it will create changes, because your body listens to you every single time, your mind listens to you every single time. And I hope this video was really 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 helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.